Now let us learn two very important properties related to triangles. The first important property says that sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Third side. Right. Sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. And also, second property says that difference of two sides of a triangle is always lesser than the third side. These are the very important two properties related to triangles. This is used if you are constructing any triangle. Say if I have a triangle with sides 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeters. So I need to construct a triangle with this given side. Then first of all I need to consider that can I form such triangle? Can a triangle with such dimensions can be formed? Right? If yes, then we have to check it and then I can form. Then see, if it satisfies the property, then it can be formed. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, greater than the third side, fine. 4 plus 5 equal to 9, greater than the third side. Say 5 plus 3, 8, greater than the third side. Hence, this can be formed. If it is satisfying the first condition, then obviously it will satisfy the third condition. You can have a check. Say, let us take the mod of 3 minus 4. This is equal to 1, lesser than the third side. Let us take the mod of 4 minus 5, again 1, lesser than the third side. Let's say 3 minus 5 mod will give me 2, which is again lesser than the third side. So I can form a triangle with the given dimensions. So these are the two properties that are actually used for constructing any triangle. Speaking mathematically, let me draw that and show it to you. Say if I have a triangle ABC, then as per the property, AB plus BC, for example, has to be greater than AC. Similarly, AC plus BC has to be greater than AB, and so on. You take any two sides, the sum should always be greater than the third side. And similarly, the difference of any two sides, basically the modulus of the difference of any two sides, because I know that the dimension of the side will always be positive, but that difference should always be lesser than the third side. That is, for example, if I take the sides AB and AC, then AB minus AC, the mod of this, should always be lesser than BC. Similarly, suppose I take BC and AC, then BC minus AC mod should always be lesser than AB. This is what these two theorems tell us, and very important ones, because sometimes you may get questions like this that form a triangle with given dimensions, and with a check, first of all check whether you can form such triangle or not. In that case you have to use both these properties to understand, to know whether you can form triangle or not. Consider an example. Say I have to construct a triangle with sides say 5, 6, 7 centimeters. Now the question is, can I construct it? Now see, 5 plus 6 greater than 7, 7 plus 6 greater than 5, 7 plus 5 greater than 6. Hence, I can construct such triangle, right? Say take another example. If I have 2, 5 and say 13, can I construct such triangle? I think you might have got your answer till now, since you can see here that 2 plus 5 is less than 13. Hence, you can never ever construct such triangle, right? So this is the application of these two properties, and you can even visualize this. Say I have a triangle here, right? And I have two sides. Now this is my a normal triangle ABC, right? So what will happen now? What I'll do now, see, I'll just try to compress A downwards, right? So I'll have a situation when A will come here like this. I'll have a situation when A will be somewhat like this. At the extremist possible case, A will be slightly over BC, but in order to form a triangle, there should be some gap here, right? Otherwise, it won't be a triangle anymore. If A will coincide on BC, then I have ABC as three collinear points, hence it won't be a triangle anymore. So this side and this side, the sum of both these two sides has to be greater than the third side. That is what this property says us.